Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a really special gaming mouse from CHILKEY. This is the Glacier LW8KM gaming mouse. It has a display on it. I'm gonna tell you more about it in a second. It's super lightweight, 48 grams, 3-mode connection, so it's got Bluetooth, wired and wireless 2.4 GHz dongle, and you can do up to 8000 Hz of pulling rate both in wired and wireless modes. It's got a POW 3950 optical sensor. If you have a look on the side of the box right here, we have more features. So we got a CHILKEY Purple Ghost optical switch, and they have a feature called Always Know. It's that LCD display. Our integrated LCD screen offers key information at a glance, so stuff like battery percentage, what mode you're connected to, and so on. The other side of the box, perfect glide experience, 100% precision with our PTFE skates, always play, so you can charge it while you're gaming if you use the wire mode. Uninterrupted gameplay, so you can enjoy up to 20 hours of non-stop gameplay at 8000 Hz pulling rate or 60 hours at 1000 Hz. And it's got a feature called Game Faster, which means you can either customize it, plug and play. It's already customized straight out of the factory with some good settings, but if not, you can plug it in and they have a web software and you can dial in the settings like DPI and stuff like that. On the back we have what's included in the box, obviously the mouse, the 8K pulling rate sensor, and the color scheme here, it's black. They have other color available on their website, so make sure you check it out. I'll have a link in the video description. And pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box we get quite a few stuff, so let's start with the small stuff first. So they have included a pouch which feels really premium. All the accessories including the mouse will fit in here. We have a user guide, so we have a user manual right here with pictures. It tells you what this mouse can do, how to set it up. It's really handy, so I suggest you give this a read so you can understand what this mouse can do. We have some pre-cut grip tapes, so they will go on the right click and left click and on the side as well if you want to use grips. They included spare skates for the bottom right here. They have included also a sticker and a pin with CHILKEY. I think this is pretty cool. It looks really great. I really like it. We have a super soft braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable, which can be used both for charging the mouse or to use it in wire mode. And we have the 8K receiver right here to use it in wireless mode and to get that 8000 Hz pulling rate. All you have to do is just basically plug the USB Type A port to your PC or your laptop, and then to the USB Type C, plug it in the back of this, and you're ready to go. The mouse will connect. The mouse on the back has a switch basically. So this switch, you can switch between Bluetooth, wired, and 2.4 GHz. So if we switch it now to 2.4 GHz, we have a DPI button right here as well, so you can change the DPI. So switch it to 2.4 GHz after you connect the cable to the receiver and you're ready to go. You will say you're in 2.4 GHz mode. Right here it says connecting. We have a battery level at the top. The mouse is super lightweight. It feels really good. It's got this ergonomic design. The clicks are absolutely amazing. We have two mouse 4 and mouse 5 buttons right here. The scroll wheel feels also pretty good, and pretty much that's it. That's all you get in the box. What I want to do now is set everything up next to my PC and maybe have a look at the software, and I'm going to show you guys how everything looks like next to your setup once you have a keyboard next to it and PC stand on. We're also gonna check for responsive time. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is how the mouse looks next to your setup. The mouse is fully connected right now. To connect it, it's super simple. All you have to do, as I said, it's plug that cable to any of your USB type A ports, just like I did here. Then connect the USB type C bit to the receiver and it's ready to go. And if you go to Glacier LW, I don't know if you'll focus, glacierlw.chilkey.com, you'll be prompted to connect your mouse and so on, and here you can customize everything from, you can set different profiles. You have features like angle snap, ripple control, motion sync, high speed mode. You can set the pulling rate, sleep time, debounce time, lift off distance, LCD sleep mode. Right here you can also set your DPI, and here you also create, as I said, profiles. You can create macros, key bindings, and you can upgrade the firmware for the mouse and the dongle as well. It's pretty intuitive. It's really easy to use. It's got basically sliders, so you can adjust the sleep time. I'll have mine on default. All I'm gonna change, I think, it's the pulling rate. I'm gonna change it to 2000. For me, that's more than enough. And the DPA stages, I'm gonna tweak them a bit to how I like them. I like to start with 3000 for me. 400 is just super low. 3000 and work my way up. And pretty much that's it. Super easy to use. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below, and also you can check out there are other gaming peripherals like keyboards and so on. They have different color schemes. I also have a keyboard from them which will come up soon on my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.